peoples? Sarah here. Today, I kind of have unfortunate news. Our owner found out through, like, Facebook media type thing. Professor Snape, the guy in Harry Potter, he was played by Alan Rickman. I have sad news, but while I tell you the bad news, I'm going to tell you a story. So, there's this guy named Alan Rickman. Alan decided he was going to be somewhere along the line. He saw this role as Professor Snape, and he took that role. And he performed in all the movies, and he was his character and how he played it was just amazing. And it inspired my owner to come up with a little bit of Nala's personality. Not the whole thing, but a little bit. And she based her character in Torchwood Spark, she based her character Rex on Professor Snape. And one day, Alan got some news. He heard that there was a storm coming. And it was a storm that maybe he could stop it. Maybe he couldn't, maybe he could. The storm got the best of him. And he performed in Harry Potter. And he taught the guy who played Harry Potter, Daniel Radcliffe. I think that's how you say his name. He taught Daniel Radcliffe like some pointers about everything, really. Everything dealt with in Harry Potter. And the storm all started with one cloud. And that cloud is called Cancerous. The cloud named Cancerous started very little, but it grew into a storm. And some people could fight this storm. And they go through it their everyday lives. But some people, it's too much for them. The storm becomes too much for them. And they pass on to a new life. In layman's terms, I don't know what that means, but it's just a phrase that I use. That was a happy version, kinda. The actual version, Alan Rickman passed away. He died of cancer. I don't know what type, but our owner heard today, and then she kind of told us. You know how that goes. And everyone said that everyone thought I should give the news that, to give you an update. And it's because they think that I can make anything sound like happy news. And that's only half true. I mainly just look at the bright side, and tell you about that. Like, Alan Rickman is gonna do sorcery forever now. He's gonna be the best wizard ever. He's gonna be phenomenal now. There's nothing stopping him. Yeah, I guess that's good. But with cancer, even I find it hard to make something as bad as cancer somehow sound good. Anyways, we're gonna start the Orion and Simba comedy skits, and we're gonna make more episodes of Together Forever. Oh, and I'm wearing a new hat. It's not really a hat though. My owner is trying to make something, and then I just wanted to. I seen it and wanted to wear it. But I have a message for all you. If someone gives you bad news, no matter how terrible it may be, look to the bright side. 'Cause then you'll find me. That rhymed! Anyways, this marks the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Laters, peoples. Bye!